What's up, guys? It is Pizza Master Knight here. Welcome back to another video of Thunder Truck Rally. So we've done Bobcat Valley, Cheetah Plains, Cougar Circuit, and now today we're going to be doing Jaguar Gorge. So if you guys are new to this channel, please do not forget to subscribe. It really helps out the channel a lot, and it definitely motivates me to make more content for you guys to watch. So yeah, pause the video, and please give me a subscription. I'm really glad it's working. I don't know why, I've had a lot of trouble with this game. I don't know if it's the game or if it's my console, but let's hope that it's just the game. Let's actually hope that it's nothing, it's just, you know. But yeah, here we go with, I already forgot the name, Jaguar Gorge. Oh, interesting. I think this is the one that I got on the demo. Oh wow, we're like climbing up something really high, huh? Whoa. Oh wow, I did not expect that last jump right there. That was pretty insane. Gotta admit, I did not expect that. Oh, it's doing that thing again. I got stuck. Like, I'm not pressing anything. I just cannot get out of here. Wow. No! There's nothing I can do. I'm serious. I don't know why it does that. Like, there's just nothing. Like, whenever it does that, there's just, like, nothing that I can do. But, yeah, that is the end of that level. So, thank you guys for checking out this video. I hope you all enjoyed it. And I hope to see you all in the next one. Later.